Hi everyone, Victoria Merchant here with Keller Williams Foothills Realty and Adventures in Colorado Real Estate. Today I'm going to preview my new listing with you guys coming up in Pine, Colorado. It's a Victorian style home built in 1998, so it's on the newer side. Every surface of this house has been touched in the last 4 years and updated. And the basement, with full permits and everything, has been redone in the last couple of months, and it's amazing. So we just had our brokers kind of do a preview as well, and we'll be going on the market in about 2 weeks or less. And so basic info, it's 3,676 square feet. It's a 4 bedroom home on a 3 bedroom septic and 3 bathrooms. It's 3 levels. There's a full finished basement, and then the main level with the kitchen, living, and an office space slash fourth non-conforming bedroom, and a playroom. And then the upstairs has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So I'm really excited to show you. It's so nice. Everybody loved it. The pictures and the video are not going to do this place justice because it's immaculate. It's amazing. So come with me. Let's see if I can switch you around. I don't think I can. I'm not very good at this camera stuff. I can do it on my iPad. This is the front porch. Newly painted. The main entry. These are off of a original old Victorian. Many of the features here are from original old Victorian homes and then brought into this home, which is a new Victorian. So we're located in Pine, Colorado. The house is in Park County and the septic is in Jeffco. So you actually get your choice of school districts. So you can either send your kids to Park County schools or Jeffco County schools. And then you also get your pick of emergency services. Here's the grand staircase. They recommend requesting the Jeffco services because they are much closer. This is like a formal living room. So like I said before, a lot of the features are a lot of the detail is from original Victorian homes and then brought here by the original builders of this home. There's been 2 owners. My guys bought it 4 years ago and completely redid it, everything. This is the playroom and kind of a second little den area. And then a Dutch door. Who doesn't love a Dutch door? And then we have the kitchen. It's a massive island. It's over 9 feet by, I think, over 4 feet. Breakfast nook. And the pantry. This used to be the original mudroom, but they refinished the basement, so there's a more appropriate space for the mudroom now. We have a butcher block countertop here and concrete countertops here. Farmhouse sink. So this is a reproduction. So it's new, meant to look old. All the appliances stay. Now we are back in the entryway. So this is your main floor bathroom, clawfoot tub. The detail was added by my sellers on the ceiling there. He had just enough materials to do that ceiling, I remember. This is going to be your entryway closet here. Now we'll go upstairs. So there is a time capsule in one of these, oh, I forget what these are called. One of these pillars here from the original owners. I'll save the master for last up here because it's amazing. Big bedrooms. This is a pretty spectacular room. Super high ceilings. And then entryway to a kind of a catwalk here that they're going to be refinishing. So you can see it's not refinished, but they're going to be staining that shortly. Nice big closet. Here's our second guest bedroom. With another closet. Nice big closet. Not very Victorian to have big closets, that's for sure. You can see the view out these windows here. You have some nice mountain views. Very private with all of the aspens. Completely surrounded by aspens. Then we have the guest bathroom up here. Okay, so the fan is attached to that light. Really cool floors. Now we're gonna go into the master. So it's a double door master. King size bed, plenty of room. Huge walk-in closet. And they actually have a laundry chute that goes all the way down to the basement. Nice big window. So mountain views in your closet. How does that sound? And then to the master bathroom. Really nice medicine closet here. I apologize if this video is not very good. We will have a Matterport done, which is a 3D rendering of the house. That'll be available on the listing and all over the internet once we have it done and we're listed. So now we'll go down into the basement that's just been recently completely redone. There's extra unfinished storage space down there that's kind of full, so it's a little hard to get the depth, but we'll do our best. So here we go. Super high ceilings down here. They gained an extra 1,000 square feet of living space. So you have a little workout yoga nook here. And this is where your laundry chute is. And then right around here is your laundry room. Tile floor. All of this is brand new down here. Brand new. In the last couple of weeks, they just finished this. They were working so hard. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is your ductwork here. And what he did was he created this this unboxed, I guess, kind of feature where it's sloped, so it doesn't look like your typical basement ductwork. Little sitting area. Little fun nook in there. There's your utility room, and we'll come back to that. But this is your mud room, which is awesome. Huge mudroom space here. There is a 3-car detached garage. 2 of the bays have remote controlled garage door openers, and then one of the bays they've used as a woodworking shop. So it has a garage door, but no electric garage door opener. You can easily add one, they're not very expensive. So here's the utility room, brand new water heater. Here's your furnace. They've already inspected and pumped the septic system here, and it is great. It's ready to transfer ownership. So no need to worry about that. Around here we have your additional storage space. It's kind of hard to see in here just because it's very full, but there's lots of space for all of your things. So that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will post on my Facebook as soon as we go live. So keep checking back. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.